2014 Mustang with the 3.7 V6. It's got a air-raid cold air intake, MMR water pump pulley, 93 PRX tune by MPT, aluminum one-piece drive shaft, muffler delete, and 373 gears. Alright, so all those were sport mode because I spin typically. Sometimes I can hook pretty good, but most of the time I spin most of the way through first, and then I'm shifting it manually into second, and then after that I sometimes pop it into drive and let it do its thing. But if I just floor it in automatic right now with the traction control off as I have it right now, and it spins all the way through first, then it kind of short shifts second, so that's going to make my 0 to 60 time slower. So that's why I was in sport mode for those. So if it spun, I waited a second to make sure I didn't short shift in the second, so I told it when to shift. But I'm going to try one now. I'm going to turn the traction control on, and we're just going to leave it in full auto and see what happens. Traction control on and automatic without me manually shifting it into sport mode. Interesting. So traction control is on. See, this is off right here. See, traction off, and it still spun all the way through first. So that's interesting. That didn't help at all, and it went into second spinning and then dropped back. So yep, I guess that's what we get. Me spinning through first and then sport shifting in the second, trying to get the best time. So I have no idea how quick my 0 to 60 is. I'm guessing it's around 5 flat. If I'm lucky, I broke high 4s, but we'll see. So again, like I said, there's some mods on this car if you want to see the install videos of that. I do have a Mustang playlist on the channel where I showed all that, and then I'm still installing a lower temp thermostat, and I can retune on that and get a little more horsepower because I can advance the timing a little more once the temperature is a little lower, because they don't have to risk detonation that way. Cherry bomb, muffler install, and that's probably about it for this year, other than any maintenance that might arise. And next year I'm hoping to supercharge it. So if you want to see any of that, check out the playlist. If you want to follow the build, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I post. Thanks for watching.